Have you ever wondered, why do dogs bark before you hear any sound? Or could there be a world of sound that humans are completely unaware of? But dogs live in every day. Zatroti. Dogs can hear sounds at nearly 4 times the range of humans. And how they do it isn't just about having better hearing. It's an incredibly sophisticated biological system. Humans can hear sounds in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. But dog, they can hear up to 45,000 to 65,000 Hz, entering the ultrasonic range. This isn't a coincidence. In the wild, the ability to detect high-frequency sounds help dogs' ancestors, predators, pick up extremely faint noises from prey, like the tiny rustling of rodents underground. But how can such a small organ like the ear analyze sound in such a complex way? A dog's ears aren't just for hearing, they're also for locating sound. Outer pinna can rotate independently up to 180 degrees. Each ear is controlled by more than 18 separate muscles. This allows dogs to pinpoint the exact source of a sound in just a few milliseconds. When sound enters, sound waves make the eardrum vibrate. The vibrations pass through 3 tiny bones, malleus, incus, stapes. This system amplifies the signal up to 20 times. This is the step where mechanical energy is converted into a biological signal. Here's the most crucial part, the cochlea. Inside, there are thousands of hair cells. Each cell responds to a specific frequency. When the vibrations pass through, they cause the hair cells to bend, allowing fluid to the brain. This is a classic example of the mechanotransduction process. Why can dogs hear higher frequencies? The key lies in the length and stiffness of the basilar membrane in the cochlea. In dogs, the region sensitive to high frequencies is more highly developed. Some studies suggest that dogs have a cochlear structure that is better optimized for high frequencies. Additionally, dogs' neural signals are processed faster when it comes to short, sharp sounds. After being converted into electrical signals, sound travels to the brainstem for primary processing and to the auditory cortex for complex analysis. MRI studies show that dogs can distinguish human voices and even recognize emotions through sound. This suggests that dogs don't just hear. They also interpret sounds in a way very similar to humans. Such acute hearing helps dogs hunt more effectively in the wild, detect danger from afar, and communicate in low-light environments. For humans, they can be trained as service or working dogs to detect sounds that humans cannot perceive. In mängde studien dog hearing helter deafness. It also informs cochlear implant technology. The way dogs process sound has inspired voice recognition systems, directional microphones, and AI for analyzing audio signals in noisy environments. The world we hear is just a tiny fraction of reality. For dogs, every day is a symphony of sounds we never perceive. A falling leaf, a distant footstep, an invisible signal in the air. All of it is decoded by an intricate biological system from iron molecules to perception in the brain. And it reminds us that biology isn't just about life, it's about the different ways of experiencing the world.